Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality M A Ayyangar. He was born on 4th of February 1891 in Andhra Pradesh. He did the schooling from Devasthan High School, Tirupati. He completed his BA degree and obtained law degree from Madras Law College. He started his legal practice and was of opinion that there should be judicial reforms and the entire judicial system should be Indian centric and not by importing British practices. He participated in various movements like non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Madras province on a Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues, like he spoke on the fundamental rights of arrested and detained persons. He was of opinion that our constitution must allow for appointment of a jurist to the Supreme Court. He spoke on the citizenship issue. We are thankful to him for his contribution in making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.